So hi guys everyone. So again by the request of some of the students, I am just checking Armstrong number. Checking the Armstrong number. How to check an Armstrong number? Is it an Armstrong number or not? So some of the students has requested me. So based on that students, I am just explaining you how to check the Armstrong number. Hope this will be useful for those students who ask me. Okay. So first let's see what is an Armstrong number. Okay. So if you input a number called 153, if you input a number 153, and output should get true or false or yes or no like that you give. So I can say 153 is an Armstrong number, right? How? First see what is Armstrong number. So you have to extract this 153 into 111 numbers, like, so digits. Like first you need to take the 1, you see the 1, right? So it has to cubed. It has to cube 1 into 1 into 1. Next you have to take the 5. That has to be cubed 5 into 5 into 5. Next he has to take the 3. That has to be cubed 3 into 3. After doing 1 cube, 5 cube, 3 cube, you have to add these 3. And after adding, if you are getting the same number 153 and your original number 153, both are same, then it is an Armstrong number. Got it? Okay, now let's take another example, 120. It's not an Armstrong number. Let's see that. Now 120 is not an Armstrong number. Okay. So we are cubing 1 into 1 into 1. Again we are cubing 2 into 2 into 2. Again we are cubing 0 into 0 0. So we extracted the digits. So we are trying to add. So 1 into 1 is 1 and 2 into cube is like 4 into 2 8. 8 plus 1 9. So 9 I am getting. So 9 and the original number both are not same. So that's not an Armstrong number. So hope you guys understood what is an Armstrong number. Okay. Now let's go ahead and do how to do this program. Okay. So again, I'll take you to ideally. I'll take you to ideally only. Ideally. Let's take to the ideally. Now we will start doing in that. Okay. Now I'll just open a new file. Okay. Now let's do it. Okay. So my point is here to check whether the given number is an Armstrong number, right? So I should see that. I'll put a comment here. So I say Python program to check Armstrong number. So Python program to check the Armstrong number. Okay, this you are checking Armstrong. Now, so Armstrong numbers I will put here. We will check these two numbers, okay, as an Armstrong point. Like, we will check Armstrong number 153 and non-Armstrong number we will check number 120. These two numbers we will provide, okay, as a for checking, testing. Okay, now let's do the program. So first, again, same as I'm doing it as a function mode. So first I will give the number is equal to 153. I will provide the number 153, or if you wanted, you can input the number. So how do you input, guys? So have a look, right? You can input like this. Integer input, enter a number. So you enter the number. So that will be converting into integer, guys. Okay, so that will be converting into integer. And that integer, I'm going to make a function called Armstrong. My function is Armstrong, right? So my function name is Armstrong. This is my function, is Armstrong. Okay. So that function, I'm providing the number here. So I'm providing number. So later on we'll come and do the balance. So let's do the function first. My function is def. So always you know that we have to start with def. That's mandatory, right? So what is my function name? Function name is Armstrong, right? So we will do this function. We will put this function over here, put a colon here. Okay, so function has to be done like that. Now I'll create a variable called number str, right? So I'll create a variable that is string variable, and I will convert the number into string. Okay. Now after that, I will see the length of the number. I will see the length of the number. Okay, guys, I will see the length of the number. After seeing the length of the number, now what you have to do? You are putting a variable called sum is equal to 0. And then we are putting another variable in the for loop digit in number str. So that is a string digit in number str. Okay, so that is like an array. It will be giving you everything one by one digits. So one by one digits it will be getting. So you will be like adding to here. Sum is equal. Sum, I will do the shortcut method. Sum plus equal to integer. I'm converting to integer because number str is a string. Integer of what I should convert? The digit. Digit I have to convert as an integer. Then I have to take the cube. Cube means what will I do? In Python, I have somebody called a double star. Double star it is nothing but the raise to. So how do you find the raise to? How do you find the raise to? Because already I have taken the number here, right? Cube. So Armstrong number means if you have 3 numbers, so it has to be cubed of 3 number. If you have 4 number, it has to be cubed of 4 number. If you have 2 numbers, it has to be cubed of 2 number, like that. So your number is 3. So you have to be cubed on 3, right? So, and the length you will get that has 3 here, right? I hope you guys understood. Now again, what we will do, that will keep on doing the sum. It will extract the digit and it will cube it, and then it will finally sum it to, and you'll get the sum over here. Now finally, after coming out, you see that if your sum is equal to, so your sum should be equal to your original number. So where is your original number, guys? Where is your original number? So you have to see your original number. So how do you see your original number? Already we are coming with original number num, right? So you have to say if your sum is equal to your original number num, then what you have to say? You have to return true. Okay? Else you have to return false. You have to return false. So this is my logic over here. I'll explain you the logic, guys. Okay, that's it. That's it I wanted. Nothing much I want to write here. The very simple program, but you should understand how do we do that. Okay. Now let's come back. What we have to write is here we will say they are returning back. No. So print if the print whatever they are returning, you have to print. I'll say num. I will say it like this. How do I say? is an Armstrong number. Is an Armstrong number. I'll say true here. Like this. So I already written everything over here. So let's check whether is it correct or not, or any other like syntax problems or anything. Let's check it out. Okay. So now I'm going to save this. You can save on your any of your directories. So as I told you, right, when you're studying the 100 placement programs one by one, make sure that you make one directory and put here, right here, and then you save it. So I'm saving in the Armstrong here only. Okay, save it, keep on saving it. And then I'm running here. So there is an unexpected indent over here, right? Okay, so it has to start from at the beginning. Right, like this. Then save again. So here also, your bracket is not properly closed over here. You should close the bracket. Again, save it. Go here and run the module over here. So you see, first time I'm going to give the Armstrong number as 153, as I told you. It says it's true, right? Oh, good. So now what I'll do is I will check my Armstrong number, another one, right? So I will give the another Armstrong number here. That is, I have to check 120. Okay. Now I'll give 120 here this time. See, guys, I got the Armstrong number, right? Now, if you guys are giving four numbers also, it will be giving because we are taking the length of that, right? So it will be like 4 times also it will be done. 5 times also it will be done. 2 times also, right? So Armstrong, whatever it is, it will be checked properly with your Armstrong numbers. So you don't have to worry about. I hope you understood. So let's explain about how the logic is. So guys, listen carefully. So I'll explain you. So assume that you are passing 153. Assume that you are passing 150. So in the Armstrong, you are getting 153 over here, right? So you are converting into a string. Now you are converting into a string. That number str is equal to 153, right? So this is going with a num. Num is equal to 153 and number str is 153. And here you are finding the length. So what is the length here? The length of number str, you will get the 3. Okay. Now you are putting the sum is equal to 0 and then you are passing the number str and it will be like 153. So 153 is a string like a tuple it will be acting. So it will be what it is like 1 it will give. So first it will give the 1 to the digit. So from the number str, it will take the 1 and give. Okay. So what does is 1, it will convert it to integer. So you say that 1, it will convert to the integer. Here you can see, right? So it will convert. So I said int of 1, right? Int of 1. And then I say double star 3. Okay. So int of 1 means it is nothing but, so 1 cube 3. 1 cube 3 is how much is that? 1 into 1 into 1. 3 times you have to say 1, that you will be getting as what? How much is 1? So this 1 will be given to the sum right now. Sum is equal to 1. So you guys got it right? So again the loop will go back and this time it will take the digit is equal to 2. Right? So again the digit is equal to 2. Again you can see the same thing. You can see guys here, same thing what we'll be doing here. You can see here. This time the number will be taking as 2. So 2 will be like 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 cubes form is 2 into 2, 4 into 2. You will be getting 8 over here, right? So you are right now as an 8 over here. So you are right now as a 8 here, right guys? So 8. So you got this one. So again, this time again you have one more digit that will be going out. So here the sum will be coming as 1 plus 8 that you will be getting is equal to 9. That will be equal to 9. Okay. So you are in the point here. Again, you next value will be taking it as 3, and the 3 will be going integer of 3 into 3, right? Again, you will be like 3 into 3 into 3. That is 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 3, 27, right, guys? 27. So you are here 1 plus, again, you will be adding one more, guys. So already you have 9 over here, right? 9 plus 27. So you see, once again, have a look here. So what is that you are adding here? So you have to, you have to see 9, 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 3, how much will be coming? 27, right? So you are, here a mistake is there. Here it is 5. I have my mistake. It's not 2, guys, 5. Okay. So you have to convert into 5. 5, 5 cube, 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, so 5 into 5 is 25. And what is 25 into 5? So guys, tell me what is 25 into 5, right? So you have to have a look on 25 into 5. That is, it will be coming as 125. Okay, so it will be coming as 125, right? So here it will be adding not 8, 125. Okay. So 125 plus 1 is 126. Okay. So now again come as a 3. The third one is the 3, right? You guys see here 3. So 3 cubes, 3 into 27. So here you already have 126. Okay. So 126 plus what you have? 27. You are getting 153. Guys, so you can see the original number was 153 and your number both are same, right? So now you can say that these both are Armstrong number, right? That is why it's finding, right? So if you see 120, you can see like, cube 120, it is not an Armstrong number. The same technique you guys use and check it out whether that is Armstrong. So whatever the number, you can follow the same logic. You will understand whether it's an Armstrong. So here you don't have to see the logic. The program is already there, but you should understand how the program works. So I hope you guys understood. And if you have any doubts or anything, you can put it in the comment sections. I will surely clear like that. Any other students having any other thing to explain, you can put it on the comment section. As soon as possible, I will be putting that programs also. I hope this is clear, guys. So I'll be coming up the next video with the next day, very next day. So please do like and share and even subscribe. As much you please share my channel to everyone so that everybody can learn coding very easily. So any program, anything, please put it in my comment section. So thank you, guys. So thank you. Please share my channel as much you can and subscribe the channels also. That will motivate me to bring more programs and things. Okay. Thank you so much.